I thought you might want to see what a good drill and driver bit set looks like. This is from Montana brand, made here in the USA. It's not a sponsored video, but they did send me this set. It's the Woodworking Deluxe. It's a 25-piece set, and it's just about $59.99. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at what you get, drill some holes, cut some plugs, and drive some screws. Let's check out the brad point bits first. You can feel that they're very sharp. They come out of their holder very easily. They've got the tri-flat shank, our non-slip shank. Very, very sharp. Size is 1/8 inch, 3/16 quarter, 15/16, 3/8, and a 1/2 inch. And that's pretty much what you're going to use most of the time. Let's go ahead and drill a hole with the 1/2 inch one first. Okay, and that's a nice clean hole. Let's go test the other bits, and we'll drill holes right down the line. Nice clean edge, very fast drilling. Now let's take a look at the drill driver tool. I'll go ahead and put this in my impact driver. And if I want to pre-drill and countersink a hole, I can use this end. If I want to drive a screw, I'll use this end. The collar is open now. I'll put the bit in place, pull the collar back, and it's locked. If I want to switch it around, push the collar forward, pull the bit out, back in, and pull the collar back. Now I want to take this Phillips out of here and replace it with a star drive. So I'll take the end of the key here, or in the end is a key. Loosen that up. Pull that out. I can replace it with the star drive. Tighten it down. I'll put this part back into the driver. We can go ahead and drill a hole and drive a screw. If you want to change the size of your drill bit and countersink, use the hex key at the back of the drill drive tool. Goes in here just like this. Loosen that up. This comes out, and you can replace it that easily. You don't want to back these out too far, or that little screw will come undone and you can lose it. I mean, there are a few extras inside these extra drill bits, but it's just something that you don't want to do, especially if you're in a shop with a lot of sawdust or a construction site. So that's pretty much how that works. You can see there's a few different sizes here. These are the plug cutting bits. This is a 3/8 bit, and this is a 5/16 bit, which means it's going to cut a plug that will fill a hole that's 5/16 or 3/8. The nice thing about these plug cutting bits is they're self-centering, and you don't need to use them with a drill press. You could use them with your impact driver or your drill. And now let's pretend we're building a cabinet, and we're going to pre-drill and countersink a hole so we can add a plug to hide the fastener. So first we're going to pre-drill and countersink the hole. We can come over here with our plug cutting bit, and this is a piece of scrap wood, so we'll just go right here. I'll pop this out with a screwdriver, And if this was a piece of furniture, I'd add a little bit of glue here. And you want to always make sure that the plug grain is going in the same direction. Put that in the hole, tap it in place. Now you would cut the plug flush with a saw like this, but that does take a little bit of time and you can scratch your workpiece. So I've set up my router with a straight bit and an open base plate just for this purpose. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this short video. Maybe you learned a few things like that little trick with the router. And it's just nice to be able to talk about a good product, especially one made right here in America. My friends over at Green Street Joinery use Montana bits just about every day in their professional cabinet shop. So I feel very comfortable recommending them to you. Like I said, this isn't a sponsored video and I don't have an affiliate link. I just thought it would be good to tell you about something that I think is good. And if you want to know more about Montana bits, I'll have a link to their website in the description. And I'll put a direct link to this drill bit set. As always, thanks for tuning in and I'll see you next time. Here's a quick peek at the next project video. The light is just really bad and it's going to start raining. So we figured we'd push that video off a few days until we can cook outside, have a few drinks, and have some fun and get a good shot of the table.